Hello, everyone. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, March 10th, 2026 at 09:08. And today we have our day one outlook to look at for today. So, today is our busy day. Today we have. Hello. We've got a day one outlook to look at here. Don't have time for this today. Thank you. Anyway, today we have one enhanced risk encompassing much of central Texas and going into southern Oklahoma. We have another enhanced risk that goes from northeastern Missouri to southeastern Iowa, parts of central Illinois, going into northwestern Indiana and southern Michigan. We have a slight risk that encompasses parts of central Texas, going into much of Oklahoma, much of Arkansas, parts of southern and eastern Kansas, much of Missouri, southern Illinois, central Indiana, northwestern Ohio, southern Michigan, extreme southern Wisconsin, parts of northern Illinois as well, and southeastern Iowa as well. We also do have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of eastern Texas, parts of east central Texas, extreme northwestern Louisiana, parts of central and eastern Arkansas, western Tennessee, extreme eastern Missouri, parts of northern Kentucky, extreme southern Illinois, extreme southern Indiana, much of Ohio, the extreme part of the West Virginia Panhandle, western Pennsylvania, southwestern New York State, central Michigan, southern Wisconsin, central to eastern Iowa, extreme southeastern Nebraska, central Kansas, extreme western Oklahoma, and back into Texas. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Or today, excuse me. Today we have a 10% tornado. Oh no, that's a level 2 for parts of central Illinois going into northwestern Indiana. We have a level 1 that goes from a little bit more into western to central Illinois, but yeah, wow, we have a level 2 today. We have a 5% hatched that is for parts of northeastern Missouri, parts of central Illinois, parts of central Indiana, and northwestern Ohio. And we have extreme southern Michigan as well under that. We also have another 5% hatch that is for parts of central Texas going into southeastern Oklahoma and southwestern Arkansas as well. And we have everything is hatched today. Wow. We have a 2% hatched for parts of east central Texas into extreme northwestern Louisiana, much of Arkansas, much of Oklahoma, parts of southeastern Kansas, much of Missouri, parts of southern Illinois, extreme northern Kentucky, parts of southern Indiana, central Ohio, and let's see here, parts of northern Illinois, parts of southeastern Iowa. So that's what we've got for today's tornado risk. Oh, God, why are the cities not? Okay, so cities for some reason are not showing up. Let me see if I can reset this. Nope, no cities are showing up for this thing today. That's weird. Okay, so anyway, we could see an EF3 plus tornado threat, especially up here in central Illinois, where there is a level 2. There is a level 2 tornado threat today. So we could see a EF3 plus tornado possible today. 5% hatched area, we could see an EF2 plus tornado possible today. And 2% hatched area, we could see an EF1 plus tornado possible today. Going into the wind threat for today, we have a 30% hatched that is for parts of central Texas. We have a 15% hatch that goes from central Texas through central Oklahoma. We have a 15% normal that encompasses parts of east central Texas into extreme northwestern Louisiana, parts of central to northwestern Arkansas, much of Oklahoma, southern to eastern Kansas, basically most of Missouri, most of Illinois, a lot of Indiana, northwestern Ohio, southern Michigan, extreme parts of southern Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa, and then we have a 5% that encompasses parts of East Central Texas, northwestern Indiana, or excuse me, Louisiana. I don't know why I keep mixing that up with that. Parts of central to eastern Arkansas, western Tennessee, eastern Missouri, northern Kentucky, extreme southern Illinois, extreme southern Indiana, much of Ohio, the extreme northern part of the West Virginia Panhandle, parts of western Pennsylvania, southwestern New York State, central Michigan, southern Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa, extreme southeastern Nebraska, central Kansas, western Oklahoma, and back into western Texas. So for the 30% hatched area, we could see, since this is a level 1, we could see 85 mile per hour wind gusts possible in the 30% hatched today. 15% hatched, we could see 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. For the 15% normal, we could see 70 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. And for the 5%, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible. So please be mindful of that today. And yes, for some reason, there are no cities today. For the hail risk, we've got a 30% hatched level 2 for parts of central Texas. Going into southern Oklahoma, we have a 30% level 1 encompassing parts of southern Oklahoma. We have another 30% hatched level 1 for parts of northeastern Missouri, southeastern Iowa, parts of central Illinois, and northwestern Indiana. We have a 15% hatched risk for parts of central to eastern Oklahoma, western Arkansas, parts of southern and eastern Kansas, and parts of central Missouri as well, southeastern Iowa, going into parts of northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin, parts of southern Michigan, extreme northwestern Ohio. And we have a 15% normal that encompasses more of central Arkansas, south central and southern Missouri, southern Illinois, and southern Indiana. And we have a 5% that encompasses parts of east central Texas, northwestern Louisiana, central to eastern Arkansas, northwestern Tennessee, extreme eastern Missouri, southern Illinois, northern Kentucky, parts of southern Indiana, parts of most of Ohio, extreme panhandle of West Virginia, western Pennsylvania, northwestern New York State, central Michigan, southern Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa, extreme southeastern Nebraska, central Kansas, western Oklahoma, and back into Texas. So, since we have a level 2 hail threat, we have, for the 30% hatched area, level 2, we could see 4-inch, which is grapefruit-sized hail possible today. And for the level 1, 30%, we could see baseball to grapefruit-sized hail today. For the 15% hatched area, we could see up to baseball-sized hail today. For the 15% normal, we could see 2 to 3 inch diameter hail possible today. There's the reset. And for the 5%, we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible today. So please be mindful of that today. Going into the summary for today, it says severe thunderstorms are forecast today from the southern plains into the southern Great Lakes vicinity. All severe hazards are possible, including the risk of a few strong to intense tornadoes and very large hail. So anyway, I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. There's today's tornado risk. There's today's day 1 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Even if you are in the marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginal. Anyway, stay safe in the slight and enhanced, and I will be back later with the day 2 outlook. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.